Cases are trending in a direction that's alarming health experts and local leaders. The Delta variant of COVID-19 has caused an uptick in the number of cases, hospitalizations, and the return of those COVID briefings that had temporarily ended until today. After a 4-week hiatus from the Memphis and Shelby County Joint COVID Task Force briefings, a course reversal because cases are heading in the wrong direction.
We stopped these briefings about 1 month ago, and when we did, we said if things changed substantially, we would be back. And we are back.
City of Memphis Chief Operating Officer Doug McGowan says what's changed is the rising number of COVID cases attributed to the Delta variant.
It's driving our new daily case rate to approximately 4 times what it was 1 month ago today. Our positivity rate with tests is about double what it was, and our hospitalizations are up pretty dramatically.
Last month at this time, Shelby County had only 50 people in the hospital and 13 in the ICU. As of Thursday, there are now 162 people in the hospital with COVID and 56 patients in the ICU, many of them on ventilators.
That is all the more critical because our hospitals are already feeling the pressure of other conditions besides COVID that are causing our ICUs to be 96% utilized.
The new cases as of Wednesday stood at 259. The 7-day average was just 22 last month. Now the 7-day average is 174. The positivity rate is also up to 11.1%. And so are breakthrough infections or cases of fully vaccinated people who still test positive for COVID-19. There are now 458 of them. And 88% of those cases are people unvaccinated. Health Officer Dr. Bruce Randolph says a return to strict mandates isn't needed if people do the right thing.
It ain't, are we going to go back to the days of stay at home and closing businesses and what have you? That's not the issue. This problem can easily be resolved by more people rolling up their sleeves and receiving the shot.
And with students returning to school soon, should they be required to mask up?
Some schools are choosing to not require masks. Others are. And I think that's an individual decision.
And the City of Memphis is supporting a back-to-school event for SCS students at the Pipkin Building from 10 until 2 on July 31st. They'll be offering COVID-19 vaccinations for those eligible, immunizations, school supplies, uniforms, and haircuts.